We are pleased to show you the 2008 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, universal garage door opener, child safety locks, power windows, fog lights, tachometer, electronic brake force distribution. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.